Hello everybody, I'm Dave Mayne, President at M2M Services. Welcome to ISC West 2026. If you don't know about M2M Services, we are a critical communications provider for the security industry. Our customers are security integrators globally. Most of our business is in North America, US, Canada, and Mexico, but we're expanding rapidly in Latin America, Europe, and parts of Asia. So what does our customer look like? It looks like you. It is a security integrator. It could be a small family-owned business. It could be a large national branch. We do business with both. What does critical communications mean? We provide connectivity between a security system and a monitoring center, and we provide software and tools for the integrators to manage their devices, bring apps for interactive control with their customers, and provide a whole series of new services around security, access, and video. We were founded in 2007 in Sofia, Bulgaria. We have operations in Sofia, St. Paul, Minnesota, Atlanta, and Shenzhen, China. In China, it's our engineering organization. We deliver over 300 sellable SKUs. All of our products that we put in the market enable services and enable interactive control and monitoring, again, around security, video, and access. Let's walk around the booth a little bit. As we go through, in the far left corner over here is our access control section. This is a relatively new segment for us. Drop-in access control, optimized really for single door solutions. What's unique about it is it doesn't require any local network connectivity. It can all be done over cellular, and we keep the installation costs very low. In the middle back over here, we have our communicator area. A communicator is a device that provides our services on other manufacturers' security systems. It could be a commercial grade fire. Honeywell is a good example of that. Or it could be an intrusion system from Resideo or JCI or Paradox or really any of the manufacturers out there. As we go a little bit further in, we also provide our own intrusion panels. We have wireless and hybrid. Wireless is wireless sensors coming in and providing remote access and control, and the hybrid allows both hardwire and wireless. We operate in nearly 2 million rooftops on a global basis. So 2 million businesses and homes are protected by M2M Services today. And for a little deeper dive into some of our products, I'm going to hand you over to one of our sales engineers, Kyle Fosburgh. These are the people that engage with the integrators to help you understand our products, to transition from whatever products you might have used in the past, and ensure you have a successful relationship and partnership with M2M Services. So Kyle, welcome to the show.
Thanks, Dave. Well, I got a couple of panels to talk to you about here. We're really excited to be talking about the Connect-XIP. This is also the Connect-FLX on the wall here. This is our wireless solution. Both of these are compatible with the touchscreen that you see here. This UI matches what we have on our mobile app, which is really exciting for that training aspect of the customer and just getting the look and feel. It's that same UI. This is our new bus connected keypad as well. This wires into this hardwired panel. And again, really excited to be bringing this to the show again. This is our 96 zone, 100 users, 8 partitions, up to 5 amps of output power. For various options. You can get creative there. We'll be launching with these 2 expansion modules as well. This is the 8-zone expander and 3 Form C relays on this secondary module as well. Both are capable of listening to our own wireless sensors. I have a few examples of those up at the top here. We also have a wide range of other sensors as well that we manufacture ourselves. And then another great aspect is both of these devices will have the translator ability to take over existing wireless devices in the home and bring them into either panel. On the side over here, I have the home automation examples. We do both work with Z-Wave devices, so we can do a lot of lights, locks and thermostat options, as well as a handful of other things like shut-off valves. We have a new UFI integration over here as well. We were really excited about these solar options on the camera models. And of course, everybody's favorite is the Doorbell. with the dual package camera at the bottom to give you that insight for when something's dropped off at the porch, of course. Also on this wall is our access control unit. It's a pretty cool unit here where we have, comes with NFC tags. It is Wiegand compatible as well if you have readers that you want to do with access cards. But the big thing with this is that it can be entirely used as an app credential, allowing the mobile phone to be your resource for entry. We'll move over to the communicators. Communicators on this wall here, crowded place over here. This is kind of our bread and butter with cellular communication then. At the top is our BAT Fire communicator. This is the UL and ULC listed fire communication. We have tip and ring, dialer capture takeover, as well as programmable outputs for a lot of other creative applications. And then we have these two cellular communicators. This is the BAT Mini and the BAT Connect. Both these devices are capable of doing kind of a signal relay option with some of the more bells and whistles coming with BAT Connect here, with being able to add Z-Wave to this module. You can also, with many of the systems that we're compatible with, can give you this touchpad integration. So this is the Touchpad Pro, a little bit slimmer design. Can also do video onto the touchscreen. So same exact UI that you're seeing on the previous touchpad, but in a little bit sleeker model. This is actually the longer lasting model than two that we've had on the market. So again, same access that you saw on the model on the wall over there then too. We have NFC tags for bringing up your phone and unlocking this door, so I can get this prompt within the mobile app to open up and give me access to the door. I'm clearly logged into the wrong one, but I would actually just be able to tap right here and open the door. Otherwise, we do support the Wiegand, so a simple card access is gonna let me in. This is Bluetooth capable, dual SIM. Really great for that small, maybe 1 to 8 door installation, maybe not quite, maybe the larger scale options, so maybe that lower cost solution, maybe a remote site, something like that, where we're not trenching to it or something like that. We can still get you access control and get a little bit more security where you need it. Guys, thanks for stopping by the M2M Services booth. Hope you enjoyed looking at the communicators or some of our security panels. If there's other content that you're looking for, definitely drop by and check out the booth yourself, or visit our website, or reach out to our sales team. We'll get you some demos and get you going and activating devices you've seen today.
Today, security companies are delivering complex and impressive projects. But very often, no one outside the project ever sees them. Security integrators build systems for schools, offices, warehouses, and residential buildings. But showing that experience to future clients can be harder than delivering the project itself. At Pipl Systems, we help integrators turn real installations into professional case study videos. We come to the site, speak with your team, capture the system in action, and turn the project into a clear and engaging story. These case study videos help your future clients understand how your team solves real security challenges. You can use them in meetings, proposals, on your website, and in sales presentations. The content is created under your brand and can be used across your marketing and sales channels. We also share selected projects through the Pipl Systems media platform with professionals across the security industry. If your company delivers great projects and you want the market to see your expertise, we'll help you tell that story. Pipl Systems, real projects, real stories, real security.